Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, we're standing on board a brand new 2025 Sea Ray SDX 270 outboard. And when we say brand new, I say it on a lot of my videos, and you guys think, oh, it's just a new model year. Nope. For 25, the SDX is a completely, entirely new boat. And before we go any further, I want to tell you something. This Sea Ray Blue Hull, the one I'm standing on, not the boat in general, this one is actually in a TV show. This boat here in Sarasota was on a TV show, and it's not an extra 1,000 yards behind the camera. This boat is actually briefly the hero of a TV show. Guys, if you want to know more about this boat, come visit us at Sarasota, Florida. We'd love to walk you through, but let me point out some key things. At the back, Mercury V10. We weren't allowed to do this before. Guys, that motor is awesome. You can see the camera's in the sun, but I'm not. This shade top is fantastic. Guys, I'm fully 6 foot, and this has got probably 6 inches over my head. For those tall guys out there that are truly blessed, this is a boat for you. They redesigned it. Stereo on the passenger side, and gave us an option now for a double wide helm. You can see the boats gathering around, guys, because it is literally that cool. This 27 is a monster. We only have so much time on this video, so come to MarineMax Sarasota. Check out a boat that's genuinely been in a TV show, and ask for Jeremiah and the whole team here in MarineMax Sarasota.